Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have the Padmate PaMu Slide Mini headphones and I'm going to tell you where can easily find its user manual. At first we have to open our web browser and here we have to search for Padmate PaMu Slide Mini user manual. And here search. As you can see, I made some mistakes, but as you can see here we have the first link, set up and use PaMu Slide Mini. Tap on that, and here we have the Padmate website. Let's decline that, and here as you can see we have a lot of information about our headphones. If you scroll down in our browser too, we have product support. We can tap that, and here we have all the headphones from the Padmate PaMu. Here we have the PaMu Slide 2, PaMu Z1, PaMu Quiet Mini, PaMu Quiet, PaMu Slide Mini. Here, let's tap on the troubleshooting and connect to FAQ. Here we have all the information. Goodbye!